rows nice and flat. I is for inventory, what's missing from that? I is for item, each one in its place. I is for indoor chores done with grace. Yes, 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 now we all see the letter I.